Assalamu alaikum. This is the fourth video of this lesson. Let's continue from the fourth part of this lesson. The Maharaja Tiger's hunt continued to be highly successful. He was getting succeed day by day. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers. Okay, he was very near to his goal. He was very near to his target. He was able to kill 70 tigers up till now. And then an unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. Unforeseen, which we cannot see. Hurdle means obstacle, taklif. And then unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. His mission there was an obstacle in his mission. There was an obstacle on his way that stopped him to kill the tiger. What was that? Let's see. The tiger population become extinct. Extinct, we know it. Extinct means disappear. The tiger population become extinct. No more exist. The tiger population become extinct in the forest. In the forest of Pratimbandapuram. Okay, now there is no more population of tiger in that village. Who knows whether the tiger practiced birth control or committed harakiri? This is a satire I use here. This is in order to attack the system going over there. Who knows whether the tiger practiced birth control or committed harakiri? Harakiri means suicide. Or simply run away from the state because they desired to be shot by British hands alone. So there is or simply run away from the state because they desired to be shot by British hand alone. So these are the reason used in a funny way by the writer. One day the Maharaja sent for the Diwan. He called for the Diwan. He called for Diwan. And he told to Diwan, Diwan Sahib, aren't you aware of the fact that 30 tigers still remain to be shot down by the gun of mine? He told to the Diwan that if he was not aware that still there are 30 tigers to be shot dead by his own gun. He asked brandishing his gun. Brandishing means moving his gun in a such a way as you are targeting someone. Shuddering at the sight of the gun. Shuddering means trembling, shaking. The Diwan cried out, Your Majesty, I am not a tiger. Majesty, मैं tiger नहीं हूँ, आप कहीं मुझे ना मार देते. Which idiot would call you a tiger? कौन सा मूर्ख होगा जो तुझे tiger कहेगा? No, I am not a gun. Majesty, राजा जी मैं गन भी नहीं हूँ. यू आर नीदर टाइगर नॉर गन. मुझे पता है आप दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं हो. टाइगर भी नहीं हो और गन भी नहीं हो. दीवान साहिब, आई समन यू हियर फॉर अ डिफरेंट पर्पस. मैंने आपको कोई दूसरे मकसद से यहाँ बुलाया है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू गेट मैरिड. मुझे शादी करनी है. द दीवान बिगेन टू बेबल इवन मोर. बेबल यानी बोलना. वो और ज्यादा बोलने लगा. योर मेजेस्टी, आई हैव 2 वाइफ्स ऑलरेडी. मेरी तो 2 वाइफ है. इफ आई मैरी यू, अगर आपसे मैं शादी करूंगा तो डोंट टॉक नॉनसेंस. व्हाई शुड आई मैरी यू? व्हाट आई वांट इज अ टाइगर. मैं क्यों तुझसे शादी करूंगा? मुझे तो टाइगर चाहिए. योर मेजेस्टी, प्लीज थिंक इट ओवर. योर एंसेस्टर वर मैरिड टू द स्वॉर्ड. तुम्हारे जो पूर्वज है, बाप दादा, उन्होंने तलवारों से शादी की. इफ यू लाइक मैरी द गन. अगर पसंद तो गन से शादी कर लो. अ टाइगर किंग इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर द स्टेट. एक टाइगर अकेला काफ़ी है स्टेट के लिए. इट डजंट नीड अ टाइगर क्वीन एज वेल. उसको कोई टाइगर क्वीन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. द महाराजा गेव लाउड क्रैक ऑफ लाफ्टर. महाराजा बहुत चिल्ला के हंसा हो. आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग ऑफ मैरिंग इधर अ टाइगर और अ गन. मुझे दोनों में टाइगर से साथ भी शादी नहीं करनी और गन के साथ भी. बट अ गर्ल फ्रॉम द रैंक ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. मुझे एक अच्छी लड़की के साथ शादी करनी है जो राजा की लड़की हो. फर्स्ट यू मे ड्रॉ अप स्टैटिस्टिक्स आप पहले स्टैटिस्टिक्स बनाओ टाइगर पॉपुलेशन का, टाइगर पॉपुलेशन इन द डिफरेंट नेटिव स्टेट. Next, you may investigate if there is a girl I can marry in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. He wanted to marry with a girl from such a state where there is too much tiger population, so he can reach his mission. The Diwan follow his order. Okay. He found the right girl from a state which possessed large number of tigers. He also found such a state where there were many tigers were there. So he got married in that particular state. Maharaja Jang Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. Father-in-law के मकान पे जब भी जाता था 5 or 6 टाइगर को मार के आता था. In this manner, 99 tigers skin adorn the walls of reception hall in the Pratimbanampuram palace. So Pratimbanampuram place was decorated with 99 tiger skin, and that hall was reception hall. We will discuss the rest of the lesson inshallah in the next video, that is 5th. Okay, wassalam, Allah Hafiz.